Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to add an obstacles in your robot environment. That's going to configure, safety, and obstacle marker. And here, you can add up to 10 obstacles. For each obstacles, you can choose to hide or show, and then you can rename the obstacles. We'll have to copy a coordinate, and in cases that you already have your workpiece coordinate, and then you already know kind of like the safety restriction of the workpiece, you can use the coordinates relative to your workpiece and then input your obstacles in that way. For now, we're just gonna use the base coordinate. And then let's say we wanna put a little wall or little obstacles in front of a robot. We'll set it as 600 to maybe 650. And then Y we're gonna span a little bit wide so it's easier to see. 300 to 300. And we're just gonna do 400 to 600. So you see that we just insert like a little tab or block in front of the robot. And once the robot hits this obstacle, it will stop the robot. And in cases that you don't need the obstacles, but you still want to keep it in your system, you can simply press disable, and then it will not affect your programming any other way. So you don't have to delete it. You can keep all your coordinates and settings. You don't have to create the same obstacles over and over again if you just don't need it for some period of time. Once you are happy with all your configurations, make sure you hit apply. And then you'll have to restart the robot for the changes to take effect. And that's how you insert an obstacle for your robot environment. Thank you for watching.